Alright, so today, gonna wash this car. Chem guys, wash bucket, $50 at AutoZone. I got 30% off this, I only paid like 37 bucks. I think it's $39 at Walmart though, so like it's probably where you should go. Pick this up just in case I can make it work. If not, I'm gonna return it. 10 essential products. Wash mitt, dirt trap, wheel cleaner, tire shine, wash and wax, microfiber towels, stickers. It's been like 10 minutes. Wow. Texas, baby. Look at that paint. All right, for the wheels, got a toothbrush. Chem Guy's Diablo wheel cleaner. Let's see how this stuff works. All right, just finished washing it. Took me probably an hour just to really go through and get everything how I wanted it to on the outside. I still am gonna pull it inside because it's too hot to do it outside, but I'm gonna pull it in and do the inside, the interior detailing, and I'm gonna do the windows too. But damn.